What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Audrey.
And I'm Hui.
And welcome to the Four Seasons Resort Whistler. We are spending the next 3 nights here, so we're going to show you everything that this resort has to offer.
Alright guys, first thing first, gotta show you the room tour. We got a standard king room, but honestly, it feels like we are having a suite. Right after the door is the storage room. In here, you have your bathrobe, the ironing board, the iron, the safe, and they also provide extra pillow as well as comforter, and there is a couple pair of slippers, and this is also where you can store your luggage and all of your backpacks and stuff. And directly across from the storage space is the bathroom. This bathroom has double vanity, large mirror, and very nice bathtub. Across from the vanity is the shower, and the shower have your standard shower head, and to the right of it is the toilet. And before you exit the bathroom is a full-length mirror, very nice. It's hidden inside the door. Now continuing on with the tour, this nice wide hallway lead to the beautiful king bed. And you know, this is the type of quiet luxury resort where the only reason you would be able to tell that this is a Four Seasons is their logo right here on the pillow. Look at how nice and modern and minimalistic the bedroom is. In front of it, you have a nice comfy couch. The bed is overlooking the view outside, which is the forest, and nice big bedside table with 2 reading lamps on each side. Here is where you can find a mini bar. None of these are complimentary, so whatever you are using, you're gonna get charged. The only thing that's complimentary are some Nespresso coffee pot. And across from the bed is this nice big TV. So over here are a couple of drawers so you can unpack and leave all your clothes out here. And over here to the left of the TV is a nice dining table, and finally is the working desk area. Lots of plugs that you can plug your electronics in, and a nice comfy chair for you to sit and do some work. And that concludes the room tour. Now let me give you guys the first impression of the Four Seasons when we first got here. Immediately as we stepped foot into the hotel, we were greeted by such a luxurious vibe as well as amazing hospitality from the resort. Like literally as we stepped foot outside our car, the bellboy came right up to us and offered help to take away our luggage. And during check-in, the lobby is so nice. And while we were waiting to be checked in, they offered us apple cider as a welcome drink. And during check-in, the front desk staff was asking if we are here on any special occasion, and I mentioned that we were here for a baby moon, and they offer us a complimentary drink ticket to one of their restaurants. And they were like, hey, would you like to collect a stuffed animal for your baby when he or she arrived? That was such a nice gesture. So far we are blown away by the first impression at the Four Seasons. Good morning, you guys. We slept really well last night, and now I'm heading downstairs to the Braidwood Cafe to get us some breakfast in bed. Good morning. Here's your breakfast.
Alright, pardon my I just woke up face, but I'm also starving. So let's try the food from the cafe. We got a breakfast burrito. I think it has ham, cheese, potatoes, something like that. Well, it also came with this tiny Tabasco sauce. It's so cute. It looks really plain, but there's some flavor to it. 7.5 out of 10. I got a iced vanilla latte. Coffee's good. Coffee gets a 9 out of 10. We also got a almond pastry. Very flaky, nice almond flavor. I didn't get any almond paste in that bite, but maybe I'll take another bite. That's a 9 out of 10. That's very good. Alright, we are heading to lunch at a restaurant in the hotel, but on our way to lunch, we're going to show you a few things that they have around here. So the first one is going to be the game room. There's also like a kids club with some activities. There's also a contemporary gallery. And the last thing is basically like a sports store. It's called Mountain Products. So they sell everything you need for like skiing and snowboarding and all that.
Alright guys, so yesterday I mentioned that they gave us a complimentary drink ticket as part of the welcome gift. I'm redeeming it for a mocktail. This is called Grandma's Radio. It has non-alcoholic amaretto, egg white, maple syrup, and 2 other ingredients that I forgot. But anyway, it looks so nice. Let's try it. Whoa, that is so good. A little bit of a tangy, and oh yeah, they have honey in it. You can taste like the deep sweetness from the honey and the maple. The foam is light. Oh, on top is chocolate shaving. So have a little bit of a bitterness. This is so good.
So for lunch we ordered the caramelized onion soup and a Wagyu burger. I'm gonna try the soup. Let's see if we get a cheese pool. Yeah, that looks piping hot. It comes in a cauldron. I feel like it's gonna burn me. Has a nice depth of flavor to it. Very cheesy. Overall, it's a good caramelized onion soup.
Look at the cross section. Looks so good. The beef is juicy. The bun is toasted nicely. Okay, they have like a sliced tomato aioli instead of ketchup. Give it a nice tanginess to it. This is a good burger. The burger also comes with truffle parmesan fries. The fry is fried to perfection. Crispy on the outside, but still soft on the inside. Just enough seasoning. This is really good fries. Alright guys, we chill at the room for a little bit and now we have our robes on and we are heading to the pool. The pool is semi-heated. It's not cold, but it's also not warm at the same time. Look who joined me. The camera's shaking because my hand is shaking. It's cold.
It's not too bad.
Yep.
It lightens the belly, so it's nice for me. So during your stay here at the Four Seasons, they offer a couple of complimentary evening activities. One is the maple taffy.
The second one is wine happy hour. And the third one is s'mores and chocolate. Good morning, you guys. We slept really well again last night. The bed is super comfy and it is a rainy morning today, so we are going to just stay inside the hotel and have breakfast at the Braidwood Tavern. Alright guys, we are here at the Braidwood Tavern bright and early at about 8:15 a.m. and is full of family with kids. A really nice benefit that is included in your stay at the Four Seasons is that the hotel provide complimentary shuttle, and for us it has been really nice since we don't have to worry about finding parking every time we want to go inside a town to eat or to just walk around.
So earlier, Hui was mentioning about the shuttle service that they offer here at the hotel. I just wanted to add on top of that is that the driver of the shuttle mentioned that they have a ski in and ski out concierge service at the Blackcomb Mountain. So they basically just hold on to all your ski and snowboarding gear there. So you don't have to haul it every time. So you could just either walk 3 minutes to the mountain or you can take the shuttle ride to the mountain without all of your stuff. So that is a really nice perk if you are here during the season. Obviously, we are not doing any of that, but we thought it would be nice to mention it if you guys plan to come and ski or snowboard.
Later that same evening.
I just got done showering and we are hungry now, so I'm going to take advantage of the iPad that is provided with every room and I'm going to order something. This is the first resort ever that I can order something with an iPad instead of calling down to the dining room, which is really cool. So we're gonna get something from the lunch and dinner menu. I just got done placing the order. That was super easy. Didn't have to deal with any human interaction. And the app said that the food will be delivered in 45 minutes.
Alright guys, ignore my wet hair. I also just got done showering and perfect timing because the food is now here. Did you tell them what we ordered?
No.
Oh.
So we got Korean chicken wings. We got an Asian inspired salad and nasi goreng, Indonesian fried rice. From the look of it, it looked legit. They even give you the kerupuk, which is a shrimp cracker. And they give you like the side, like crispy onion, ketchup manis, and then pickle.
Excited. Should we go salad first?
Sure. Really refreshing. I like the dressing.
Ooh, it has a little kick to it.
A little bit.
Very crisp.
A little bit sesame, soy sauce, and a bit of chili oil.
Really good. Chicken next?
Cheers.
Cheers. I thought it was supposed to be Korean chicken wings. Tastes like barbecue, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, the guy did say Korean.
But it just tastes like barbecue sauce.
I mean, it's not bad, it's just pretty basic.
We just needed extra protein, so. Alright, now for the main event.
Let's see if this is as close to fried rice in Indonesia. Wow, my bite is so big.
Wow, it tastes legit. It's pretty spicy too.
They didn't hold back on the spice.
Wow.
I feel like I'm back in Bali.
I love It is the most expensive fried rice we probably ever paid for, but
Yeah, it is. It's like sauce padang.
but honestly worth it.
It's good. It literally transported us back to Bali. So.
Yeah, especially since like we don't have any Indo food really in Seattle anymore.
Yep, so In-room dining, on time, and good quality. Really enjoyable.
Yeah, we're gonna eat and probably just chill the rest of the night.
Yep, and see you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Our time here at the Four Seasons Resort has sadly come to an end, so we just wanted to give you a few final thoughts before we end the video. We had the most amazing stay here. The room was so nice and comfortable, the food was delicious, and the hospitality was really unmatched. The only thing that we would nitpick on, I guess, in a way, is the price. Thankfully, we are here during the off season, so the price is somewhat more affordable at $350 a night compared to when we were, I think we checked for high season, I think it was $1,500 a night. So we are paying definitely a fraction of the price. So if you did want to come here, highly recommend coming during an off season, obviously, unless you're a skier or a snowboarder and that's what you want to come here for. But overall, we would highly recommend, honestly, 10 out of 10. We've already been talking about wanting to come back with baby girl. So that's how much we enjoyed it. Anything you want to add?
There are a couple more amenities that we didn't get to experience, but I'm going to mention it here. So first of all, they have a special library bar, which is a special collab with the Macallan whiskey from Scotland. The bar looks really nice, really fancy. So if you have the chance to check it out, please do. And they also have a steakhouse, which is called Side Out Steakhouse. We also couldn't go because it's not worth for Audrey to go if she cannot eat a medium rare steak. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So be sure to check that out as well.
And probably the other one is the spa. We didn't use the spa, but we did hear great things, but the price is pretty steep. So that's another reason why we didn't go.
Yeah, but with that, I think we cover all amenities that this hotel offers.
So with that, we're going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. And last but not least, don't forget to keep
Winning at life. See you next video. Bye.